the show with Joey Super Cool Food Reviews. I'm back. Today we're doing for you Cheetos snowflakes just in time for the holidays. So we're doing white cheddar. This is a limited time edition. Limited edition. Snowflakes just in time for Christmas. So I'm here at Chick-fil-A. That's right. Or is that Chick-fil-B? No, it's Chick-fil-A. So they sell nuggets, salads, wraps, cookies, chicken minis. Available till 10:30. Chick-fil-A catering. They have eat your chicken. Eat your chicken. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Only at Chick-fil-A. Anyways. So the crunchiness from the tortilla strips are really good. I get a lot of shredded, there's like a lot of shredded chicken in this. This is almost like a chicken soup, almost, instead of a tortilla soup. But I get the tortilla, you have the tortilla, you know, the color in here. So, but it's all about the chicken and the corn. There's a nice sweet corn flavor. Very good. There's so much thickness going on. I mean, this could be like a corn soup. This could be a, like I said, chicken soup. But they're going, no, this is called tortilla soup. Tortilla soup. Yeah, pretty nice, huh? $7 for this. A little expensive, I thought.